Hello everyone, welcome to a new vlog. This is our last evening in Pondicherry. It's a weekend and all of a sudden the crowd has started buzzing. Every corner of the town is alive with excitement. Do you remember this place? Yes, it is the way to the promenade. Actually, I have already shared this in the first vlog. But since it is our last evening, we want to experience the vibrant nightlife, bustling streets lit up with this beautiful energy. Today I was reading this book about Mira Alfassa. She is fondly known as the mother. Today, the Auroville that is known by all over the world, it's actually a vision by Mother, where people all over the world would live in harmony, irrespective of any differences. And actually, this book is in Bengali. I purposely wanted to read in my mother tongue. एक connection बनती है अपने roots के साथ. चलिए डिनर का टाइम हो गया है. We came to a place called Madame Shanta's. This serves continental food. It's a good decor, good ambience. Food wise, I would not give it a great rating, but yeah, it was nice. So this was all what we had ordered. Mainly we ordered continental dishes. And कल हमको जाना है Pondi Marina Beach. And tomorrow is our last day. सो सुबह हम लोग थोड़ा बीच एक्सप्लोर करेंगे और ये बीच के बारे में एक्चुअली हमने काफ़ी सुना है. This is the Pondi Marina Beach. It was almost around 2.5 kilometers from the Promenade Beach. And see, I met someone here. This is the person I have met. Oh, what a wonderful creation. I was actually watching it with a lot of intrigue. It was trying to come near me because शायद उसको लगा कि I was trying to capture it through my lenses. But yeah, it was really very interesting and a beautiful creation by God. हाँ, और यहाँ पे ना पौंडीचेरी में स्कूटर मिलता है रेंट के लिए. I mean, it is like Goa. And so do try that option. The rent for the scooty that we had taken, it was 400 per day. And of course, you need to have your valid documents, like you need to be 18 years of age, have a valid license, and wearing a helmet is also mandatory. अगर आपको दूसरा helmet चाहिए तो उसके लिए I think you have to pay extra. And yes, fuel costs are not included in the rental fee. ये पौंडी मरीना बीच में मुझे एक चीज़ और जो लगा कि in the other beaches no access to the water is prohibited. मतलब आप ज़्यादा water के पास नहीं जा सकते हो. But in this beach it offers ample length of the sandy beach. But yes, swimming is unsafe and that's what I have seen in almost all the beaches in Pondicherry. So swimming is strictly prohibited. जो चीज़ आपको गोवा पे मिलेगा, मतलब गोवा पे of course you can really have a blast with the waves. But यहाँ पे मैंने किसी को नहीं देखा swimming के लिए. I think it's not at all allowed. If I compare all the beaches, the most crowded is the Promenade Beach, but this is less crowded. चलिए मेरा vlog यहीं पे ख़त्म हो रहा है and I'm carrying back with me a bunch of beautiful memories. So if you like my vlog, do support the channel. Actually, this is my second channel. There's a separate channel for students. And if you have ever been to the destination, do share your favorite moments in the comments. See you in my next vlog. Take care, stay curious, keep exploring. Lots of love for all of you.